These are the tools you will need. The first thing you want to do is get the customer's name and basic information. Next, ask the customer their height and weight. You will put this all in the boxes labeled name, height, and weight. Take the incline of the neck by measuring the curve of back. Make sure the device is placed in the bend of the neck. Record measurement under incline. Be eye level with the incline level, using the ball as the measurement indicator. As you can see, it measures at 3.5. You will put this information in the incline box. Use the shoulder device to find the highest point of the shoulder or ridge of shoulder. Use the shoulder bone as a guideline when available. Take a right and left measurement, making sure to be eye level with the shoulder device. As you can see, the left side is measuring at a 3. And the right side is measuring at a 2. You'll write these measurements down in the left and right shoulder reading. Using the tape measurer, have the customer stand on a stool while at first having them raise their arms in the air. Locate the broadest part of their chest. Secure the tape measure around the broadest part of their chest, asking the customer to then drop their arms. To make sure there is breathing room, put 2 fingers in between the customer and the tape measurer. As you can see, the measurement is 39 inches. You'll write this measurement down in the chest measurement box. To get the overarm measurement, locate the broadest part of the chest. This time the customer will keep their arms down the whole time. To make sure there is breathing room, put 2 fingers in between the customer and the measuring tape. As you can see, the measurement is 47 inches. You'll write this measurement down in the overarm measurement box. Ask the customer to remove all items from their front and back pockets. Use the tape measurer and measure about 2 inches below the belly button. To make sure there is breathing room, put 2 fingers in between the customer and tape measurer. As you can see, the measurement is 39 inches. You'll write this measurement down in the pant waist measurement box. Use the tape measurer and measure around the widest portion of seat. To make sure there is breathing room, put 2 fingers in between customer and tape measure. As you can see, the measurement is 43 inches. You'll write this measurement down in the pant seat measurement box. Use the tape measure and measure 1 inch down from the belly button, going across to their side hip. You'll measure to the base of their shoe. For a more accurate reading, have the guest remove their shoes. Take measurements for the right and left leg. As you can see, the measurement for the right leg is 40 inches. And the measurement for the left leg is also 40 inches. You'll write this measurement down in the left and right outseam measurement box. Using the inseam device, place the inseam device on the inside of the customer's leg and run the measuring tape to the bottom of their foot. As you can see, the measurement is 29 inches. You'll write this measurement down in the inseam measurement box. Using the rise device, place device between the customer's legs and measure the pant waist, which is 2 inches below their belly button. As you can see, the measurement is 11 inches. You'll write this measurement down in the rise measurement box. In some instances, the customer may want a different measurement based on where they want their pant waist to sit. The inseam and rise combined will always match the outseam. Using the sleeve measurement device, place the device under the armpit and measure to the wrist bone. Measure both right and left arms. As you can see, the measurement for the right arm is 18 inches. And the measurement for the left arm is 17 inches. You'll write these measurements down in the left and right sleeve measurement box. If there was a shoulder difference, there should be a sleeve difference. Have your customer try on a jacket. Run the tape measure from the base of the neck to the base of the jacket. Ask the customer if they like the length and/or what length they would prefer. Record measurement by putting it in the coat length box. At this time, you'll use your best judgment to fill out the fit of coat, seat description, and pant fit checkmark boxes. For this customer, we can see that his coat fit is regular, seat description is prominent, and pant fit is regular. Place tape measure on customer's neck and ask them how big or small they would like the neck opening for the vest to be. For this example, we can see that it's measuring at 33 inches. Record measurement in front opening measurement box. Place tape measure at the base of the customer's neck and run tape measure to the point where they want the vest to sit in the front. Most customers want it to meet their pants. Repeat these steps for the measurement in the back while making sure to start at the bend of the neck. You'll write these measurements down in the left and right vest measurement reading box. Record point-to-point measurement by using the measuring tape going from shoulder to shoulder. It should almost be making a U shape. You can see the measurement is 19 inches. You'll write this measurement down in the point-to-point measuring box. Next, you will send these measurements in, and it will take about 2 to 3 weeks for the suit to arrive. In some cases, you'll need to take these 3 extra measurements. Using a tape measurer and making sure the guest is in a relaxed position, measure the widest point of the bicep. As you can see, this measurement is 15 inches. You can use this box to write these 3 extra measurements. To take the thigh measurement, have the guest stand on a stool in a relaxed position. Using the tape measurer, measure the widest point of the thigh. You'll do this for both legs. As you can see, this measurement is 24 inches. You'll write this measurement in the additional comments box. To take the knee measurement, measure the knee horizontally and double that number. As we can see, this measurement is 9.5 inches. You'll write this measurement in the additional measurement box. To take the bottom measurement, it's the same process as the knee measurement, except down at the leg opening. You'll still want to double the measurement that you get. You'll write this measurement in the pant bottom box.